Once upon a time in the enchanting village of Harmony Hills, lived a curious young rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had a unique gift. She could understand the language of the trees. Every day, she would sit by the ancient oak near her burrow, listening to the tales of the forest. One day, as Rosie rested under the oak's shade, she overheard a worried conversation among the trees. They spoke of a mysterious force that was slowly draining the life from the forest. Determined to save her home, Rosie embarked on a journey to uncover the truth. Her first encounter was with Whisk, the wise old owl. Whisk spoke in riddles. To find the cure, seek the whispering waterfall where shadows dance in moonlight. Intrigued, Rosie hopped towards the heart of the forest, guided only by the cryptic clue. Through the dense foliage, Rosie stumbled upon a hidden waterfall, its soothing whispers echoing in the moonlit night. As she approached, a shimmering figure emerged. It was Luna, the spirit of the waterfall. Luna revealed that the forest was losing its magic because of the negativity spread by the creatures who cared only for themselves. Armed with this revelation, Rosie set out to spread kindness and unity among the animals. She organized a grand gathering, inviting every creature from the tiniest ant to the mighty bear. As they shared stories and laughter, a magical aura enveloped the forest. And the once dying trees regained their vitality. However, Rosie sensed a lingering darkness. The mischievous fox, Sly, had been eavesdropping on Rosie's plans. Sly, consumed by jealousy, tried to sabotage the newfound harmony. He spread lies and mistrust among the animals, creating a rift in the unity Rosie had worked so hard to build. The forest once again faced the threat of fading away. But Rosie, undeterred, confronted Sly and shared the true power of kindness. Slowly, the animals began to see through Sly's deceit, and together they expelled the negativity from their hearts. As harmony returned to Harmony Hills, the forest flourished, and Rosie realized that true magic lies in the bonds of friendship and understanding. The once suspenseful tale now concluded with the whispering waterfall echoing laughter and joy, a testament to the enduring strength of love and unity.